What's good, YouTube? I'm Robert with the Crosscut Creations channel. Today we're going to take a walnut platter given to me by Bennie Ray Watkins Jr. over at Woodpecker's Landing, and we're going to turn it into a small little live edge platter. Let's go. As always, thanks for hanging out with me on this one. Here's the platter one more time. It's a nice shallow little dish. It's got a nice live edge on it. There we are. Benny's a really good guy. Check out Woodpecker's Landing. That's his business. He's based out of Tennessee. He's got pen blanks, he's got bowl blanks, he's got all kinds of blanks that are just incredible, so make sure you check him out. I'll leave a link in the description, so make sure you go do that. Turning these live edge platters and bowls has become quite a bit of fun for me. I really enjoy them. Between that and pen turning, I really don't know what I enjoy more, but the bottom line is I'm using my lathe and I absolutely love what I'm doing. This platter that I have available right here that I just showed you guys, it will be available on my website, cross-cut-creations, along with some other things, some other goods, some other merchandise. So check that out if you're interested, and we'll see you next time. Oh, before you go, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.